Good evening. Wednesday was a day of contrast. We had some weather fronts moving their way south and east across the country. They brought some cloud and some rain. In fact, across the southeast corner, we had half an inch up to 3/4 of an inch close to Kent, and it stayed pretty dull for much of the day. Despite the rain easing, it took a while for that cloud to thin and break, as you can see by this weather watchers in Seabrook. But behind those fronts, we also saw some decent spells of sunshine today. So further north and west, it was a beautiful story in Arran, as you can see, some sunny spells through the afternoon. Now, it does look as though we'll continue to see those skies clearing as we go through the evening and overnight. So the cloud in the southeast melts away, and under those clearer skies, with the wind, albeit light, coming from a northwesterly, a colder source, those temperatures are likely to fall away. So we start to see in the temperature template the greens penetrating down through the spine of the country. That means temperatures are likely to fall into single figures, perhaps low single figures in sheltered rural parts of Scotland. So it's going to be a chilly start to our Thursday morning, but it'll be a pretty straightforward day. Quite a quiet story, really. Any early morning mist will fade away. We'll see some sunshine to begin with. The cloud develops as we go through the afternoon, and further west we'll see a little more in the way of cloud, but it's a largely dry day. Just an isolated chance of a shower across north and west facing areas, but they'll be few and far between. 15 to 21 degrees, the expected high. And it's high pressure that really is controlling the story at the moment, despite these weather fronts trying to push in from the Atlantic, but they really weaken off as they bump into that high. So they're not going to make that much of an impression, but there will be a little bit of a west-east divide developing as we move towards the weekend. So on Friday, again, a chilly start first thing, a little bit of cloud developing, but favoured spots for some sunshine the further east you are, all the time out to the west. Cloud thickening up and the odd spot or two of light rain. 16 to 21 degrees the high. But that high pressure really not going very far very quickly. And again, it's killing off these weather fronts up into the far northwest. So into the weekend, we're not expecting that much in the way of significant rain, but it could have an impact on where the cloud will tend to sit. So it's likely that the cloudiest of the skies will be the further north and west you are, warming up in the southeast by the end of the weekend.